is Mace Horoff, and welcome to the Medical Sales Channel. Today let's focus on what you say about your competition and about your competition's products. Now we all know that your product is better, it's superior, it has distinct advantages. Great, you get to prove that to the customer. But what you don't get to do is to badmouth your competitor or badmouth your competitor's products. Yet when I go on sales calls, I often hear this at some level. Now certainly, you want to position your product against the competition's product, which means there's something that your product does or does better. Otherwise, you're wasting the customer's time. You have to be able to improve their situation and the patient's condition. But you can't go in there and badmouth what the customer has decided to use now and maybe for the last 10 years. Because when you're doing that, what you're doing is you're going in and telling the customer that his baby is ugly. And that is not a great way to build that relationship and have him listen seriously about your product. Same thing about the competition. Listen, I know how some of the competitors are in medical sales. Some of your competition are jerks. They're liars. They're terrible people. I'm sorry, but you don't get to say that to your customer. Let them figure it out on their own. Don't give them any help, because all it does is it makes you look like you're jealous. Like you don't have anything to do but try to pull your competition down because you can't climb up to meet them. So please keep in mind, by all means, contrast and compare your product to your competition's product and show the customer where you have competitive advantages. But never, never badmouth the competition, and never badmouth the product that your customer has made a decision to use, because when he or she did that, they were using their best judgment, and you don't want to tell them that they're stupid. Well, maybe you would, but you shouldn't. So I'm telling you, don't do it. For the Medical Sales Channel, I'm Mace Horoff, and if I can help you with your medical sales, give me a call at 561-333-8080 or visit my website, www.medicalsalestraining.com.